The operator of a disused gold mine near Katherine says a new technique for crushing rock could see it reopen. Mount Todd Mine shut down in the year 2000, leaving behind it an environmental hazard. The company trying to reopen the mine says it needs to find ways to lower costs and for the gold price to go up if the project is to go ahead.
There's no shortage of gold at Mount Todd, but getting it out cheaply has always been an issue. This drill rig is bringing up rock from hundreds of metres below the surface. These will eventually be shipped to Germany, where a new extraction technique will be tried.
The industry's moved a little bit, and we've got some innovation that we've done some preliminary tests and look really encouraging.
Vista Gold says there's 10 million ounces of gold here, but at extremely low grades, making it expensive to mine. The company's waiting for a stronger gold price and better exchange rate to restart production, and also hoping the new extraction technique will help.
That will allow us to potentially adopt that new technology into the project, and that will see our operating costs drop down, and therefore we'll need a lower gold price to get the project started.
20 tonnes of rock will be sent to Germany, but less than 1 ounce of gold is expected to be recovered.
So there may hopefully be some gold in that.
There will be gold in there. I'll be out of a job if there's not.
It's this cross-section in the rock where the gold's found, but it's also what's been causing environmental headaches.
This rock here is part of the problem. These grey bits here are a naturally occurring sulphide, which when they're in the ground aren't really a problem, but because it's been dug up and left here, it's reacted to the air. Now when rainwater hits it, it turns into sulphuric acid, and this pit behind me is surrounded by rocks just like this one.
The company's been treating the acidic water with lime to raise its pH level towards neutral, but it still contains some heavy metals. A good wet season means it can legally discharge the treated water into the Edith River at a 50-to-1 ratio.
But the ones that are high are zinc is quite high, and aluminium, copper. So they're the ones that really determine what dilution ratio that we can put into the system without affecting the critters.
Getting rid of as much water as possible is a priority if the mine is ever to become operational again.
They will most certainly get back into production. It really is now just a matter of time.
If that happens, they predict there'd be 450 jobs in construction and 400 once it's operational. Stephen Schubert, ABC News, Mount Todd.